Canceling your transaction on Moneygram is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, what you need to do is log in to your Moneygram online account and navigate to the transaction history. From here, find the specific transaction you want to cancel, and then you'll get to see an option that says cancel, so click on the cancel option. Alternatively, you can access the self-service portal at the website as shown here. So once you get into the website, you need to enter your transaction reference number and the receiver's name to cancel the transfer. If you're unable to cancel the transaction online, you can contact Moneygram customer service at 1-800-666-3947. Provide them with your transaction details and they will assist you in the cancellation process. Keep in mind that a cancellation may not be possible if the funds have been already picked up or deposited. Also, there can be some fees associated with the cancellation, and the success of canceling depends on the transaction status.